Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today in the oats recipe series, here is the second recipe. And today I'll show you how to make instant oat dosa along with a coconut chutney. So without further delay, let's get on to the video. Into a mixer jar, put half cup of oats and grind this into a fine powder. Into the oats powder, add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, which is atta, and 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Also 1/4 cup of curd. A pinch of salt. Now grind this mixture into a fine thick paste using some water. Once the batter is ready, remove it from the jar and pour it into a glass bowl and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. The batter has been sitting for about 15 minutes and now the batter has become a little bit thick. So you can add little more water to make the pouring consistency. The batter is ready now. This is how it should look like. Now heat a pan and pour about 1.5 ladleful of the batter. This batter is not like the regular dosa batter. This will stick to the bottom of the pan. So it's very important to keep the pan in low flame while pouring the batter. On top, put about 1 teaspoon of ghee or gingerly oil. Unlike the normal dosas, this will take little more time to cook and there are chances that the dosas may break from the sides. So don't worry, just spread some more oil or ghee on those areas and it will be perfectly fine. We have to cook this at medium-low flame only. I like the dosas a little crispy, that's why I'm taking it a little more further. You can flip it at any point of time once you think this is cooked. After about 3 minutes on each side, this is ready. We can take it out of the pan. Now repeat the same procedure for the next dosas. In between, sprinkle some water on the pan to bring the temperature down. Wipe it using a clean tissue and we can pour the batter in it. This is how easy was the recipe of instant oats dosa. I'm going to serve it with some coconut chutney. So here's the recipe of coconut chutney for you all. Grate some fresh coconut. A mixer jar. Add half cup of grated coconut, a small piece of ginger, 1 green chili, half of a small onion and a small piece of tamarind. Grind this with a pinch of salt and some water. The mix is ready. Remove it from the jar and let's prepare the tempering for this. Heat a small pan for the tempering. To this add about 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they crack, add about 3 to 4 dried red chilies. Also few curry leaves. The tempering is ready. We can directly pour this onto the chutney. Hope you all enjoyed the recipe of instant oat dosa with coconut chutney. This was our second recipe from the oats recipe series. Yesterday I mentioned in my video that I'll be sharing videos every day this week that will be instant, healthy, low fat and low sugar based recipes, and the key ingredient is going to be oats. Yesterday I posted the video of baked oats with strawberries and banana. I got very good response for this recipe. If you haven't watched the recipe yet, do check out. The link is in the description box below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, show some love and subscribe to my channel. So till we meet next with some another interesting recipes, stay healthy and be happy.